Well, this is probably my worst nightmare. I stopped out here in the bay because some birds were diving, and when I went to restart my motor, it seems like the starter went out on it. However, I've hoisted the sails, if you will, and I'm drifting about 2.5 miles an hour towards Sable Island. I'm about 4 miles from the locks. I tried to pull start the motor, it almost kicked over, but it's gotten harder and harder to start. I've contacted Rose, so somebody knows where I'm at. I'm not going to call anybody just yet.